How you guys doing? So we're back at it again with another S2000 video. We hit a milestone today, 500 plus subscribers, and I'm super grateful, super thankful of all those who showed love, left a like, left a comment, shared the video. I appreciate you guys so greatly. We got this far, so let's keep it going. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So the time has come. The legacy of the 05 Honda S2000, number 13 production, has finally come to an end. We got the final piece here of the rebuild, the emblem. Just gonna slip right there. Got some emblem glue. Gonna smack this thing on, wait a few hours, and call her done. It's been a fun journey. It's been a fun journey. But you know what they say, all good things come to an end. And today, it comes to an end. Not a complete end though, just the end of another chapter. The beginning of another chapter. The end of this one. It's crazy to see how something can go from being so smacked to so intact. Without further ado, gonna put some tape on it, let it harden a little bit, and that's that. Bright out here, man. How you guys doing? So as you know, the 05 S2000 I've been working on for a few months. It's finally complete. It's a lovely car. I love driving this thing. That VTEC hits hard. It's for sale finally because I did a thing. I actually picked up 2 more S2000's. I'm not made of money. I'm not getting any YouTube money. Shout out to all my Patreon supporters. I'll put them up here. I don't have any Patreon supporters. My wife wasn't super excited, but hey, she trusts me. If you haven't drove one of these cars yet, I advise you to do so. Take it for a spin, find a friend who has one, and I'm telling you, you'll fall in love. One of the best drop top cars the market has to offer and probably will ever have to offer. The values have spiked up. They're basically collectible cars at this point. So yeah, let's go check out the other 2. So here they are. We got a 2002 and another 2002. This one has about, I want to say 70 to 80,000 miles. That one has 47,000 miles. Super clean. This white one actually used to be one of my old cars years back. I sold it to one of my buddies. He drove it around. He actually used it as a daily in the winter. It's on bags, AccuAir system. Unfortunately, AccuAir went out of business early this year. One of the rear bags is leaking and I'm having the time of my life trying to find out how I can replace that. Called a lot of places trying to find out who supplied AccuAir. They're not picking up. So I'm thinking about reverting it back to OEM suspension and kind of daily driving it. Hardtop, Mugen replica is pretty sweet. He installed some heated seats, so definitely on those chilly days, I'm taking this bad boy out. It also has an aftermarket hood with some vent cutouts for, you know, better airflow. Has some kind of aftermarket front lip that's wrapped in carbon fiber that is definitely seen better days. This thing is definitely the definition of a beater S2000, but it's definitely pretty sweet. This car also has a quick release steering wheel. It has some aftermarket Koenig wheels as well, and the tires are pretty nice. So that's about it for this white one. It's a cool little car. It definitely scoots. It's just gonna be a little fixer-upper and, you know, around town car. I might have it as a daily just so I don't put so much miles on the other S2000s. So this baby is a 02 Suzuka Blue with blue interior. Lovely car, only 47,000 original miles. That's crazy. So I actually picked up this car locally about 40 minutes away. Got it for a really good deal and I just couldn't pass it up. It has some aftermarket wheels. I think they're made to look like work wheels. And I mean, they have really good tires on them. They're brand new tires, brand new wheels, so can't complain. The car also has a pair of aftermarket HID headlights. They're pretty cool. I definitely like the OEM look better, but I can't complain since these ones are brand new and they definitely give off a really good shine. They are pretty bright at night and I mean, it goes along with the whole front end look, I guess. I was thinking about possibly changing those headlights to OEM, but it just depends on if someone is actually interested in the car. The only other aftermarket part I see on this car is that front lip. I'm not 100% sure what this lip is. I don't know what brand it is, but it definitely brings out the look of the car. This car, I primarily might daily drive it or look to sell since the collection is getting kind of out of hand. We'll see. So besides the wheels, front lip, and headlights, this car is completely stock. The top is in superb condition. The interior is minty. I definitely love driving this thing. A new clutch feels butter. So that about wraps it up for a little quick overview of both of these 02 S2000s. I got them both for a good price, so my wife wasn't too upset with me. Let's cut to a clip of me asking her what she thinks. Baby.
Why are you recording me?
I got a serious question.
What?
What do you think about the two Honda S2000s I picked up, the new ones?
I think you're an addict.
Well, there you have it. This 02 blue one is a mint car. They're getting really hard to find with this low of mileage. This thing is just gonna be my car in case I get rid of both my nice ones. I at least have one that I can whip around town and, you know, clean up a little bit. This one definitely needs a lot of love. It needs love with the whole entire exterior. Oh yeah, this car used to be yellow, by the way. Let me know what you think I should do with it. Should I do something crazy with this white one? Stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the video of the quick overview of the two new S2000s I picked up. Let me know what you guys think I should do to the white one. It's kind of a fair game to do anything I want. It needs some work, so it's a perfect time to make it our own and figure out what to do with it next. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at SuperishMarkCars. I post stuff daily and I work on stuff and it goes on there before it goes on YouTube. Be sure to leave a like, drop me a line in the comments, and as always, be blessed and be superish. Anyways.